here with Half Dozen Customs. Back out in the shop today. Got a little unboxing video for you. I had a company reach out to me and they sent me a tool. It's a tool that I've been looking at, one that I would like to have around the shop. So it was cool that they reached out to me and sent one out to me. It is called a Sakerplus Digital Laser Angle Finder Protractor tool. It's quite the mouthful. But what it is it finds the degree and angle of stuff. So, you know, if you're trying to find the degree of your motor, when you're installing your motor, this will help you out. Same thing with like your rear end pinion angle. It can help you out with that kind of stuff. There's several things around the shop that I can see using this for in the automotive world. So let's go ahead and let's check out what they sent us. Okay, so this is pretty much it. This is how it came to me. I just opened it up. It's got a instruction manual in here. It is quite long. This thing does a lot of different things that I am not used to, so we will learn as we go. Obviously it is chargeable. New style phone style jack, so should plug into anything you have around. It is magnetic, so that's cool that it sticks to whatever you are working on. I did notice that the magnets aren't super strong, so if you got super dirty metal or rusty metal, you may need to clean that up before using this. But other than that, there's an on-off button, there's a tilt, there's a hold, there's a zero. Right now, because I have it laying on its back, it's showing error. So there we go. Now we're sitting right. So as you can see, my table is crooked. But yeah, let's show you guys this thing in a little bit of action here. I'll show you one of the things that I will be using it for. Okay, so we are over here at the metal brake. This is one thing that I will definitely be using this tool for. As you can see, I have a piece of metal set up behind us with the tool on there, the protractor tool. I do have it zeroed out. There we go. I didn't want to pick it up, but you can see that it's zeroed out there. So say, you need to bend a 45 or a 30 degree or some odd number. This will definitely get you to where you need to go. So magnet works great on the metal, holds it up there, you get it zeroed out. Say we want to go up to a 45. We're at 30 there, 35, 36, 42. There's 45. And we have our 45 in our metal. And I have checked this, and it is a 45. So it does seem to be accurate. Another nifty thing that this tool has is it has a laser level, and it's on both sides. So you can set this out and get your laser level straight. find out what angle you're at, all that good stuff. I do wish that the laser lights were a little bit brighter, but I also have not charged this thing out of the box. It does have a battery indicator up on there, and it is not fully charged. So maybe with the full charge on here, the lights will work a little bit better. But other than that, this will be used around my shop. I'm happy to have one and get away from the manual ones. I think the digital ones are a little more improved nowadays, and a little more accurate. And along with the laser lights on the side, I think that is a very cool feature. Okay, checking back in with this little guy after I threw him on the charger and let him charge up for a couple hours. I don't know how well you guys can see. There you go. So you can clearly see it, even during the daytime with the lights on. So I retract my original statement. Much clearer line, both sides. So yeah, even the laser part's cool. Like I said, I was a little questionable about the laser part of it, but obviously that was because it was running low on battery. Full charge, good to go. Neat little tool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The link will be down below for this if you guys are interested in it. And thanks to Sakerplus for sending it out. See you guys in the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm out.